Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayurveda. I am Doctor Kavya Vasudev and you're watching the new lecture series on Samhitaadhyayan1. In the previous videos, we started the topics of introduction to Samhita. If you have not watched those videos, please do check it out from our YouTube channel Ayurveda. Today we are going to start with the new topic in introduction to Samhita, that is Anubandha chatushtaya. Anubandha chatushtaya is a framework that helps to understand the meaning and purpose of a textbook. There are 4 requisites which are needed for the proper study of the subject from a text by a reader. And the requirement for applying this Anubandha chatushtaya helps in different aspects like writing a textbook or research articles and thesis writing, in advertisements, teaching, presentations, etc. So Anubandha means the connections or associations, and Chatushtaya means fourfold or a quadruple. So in together, the term Anubandha Chatushtaya refers to fourfold connections or associations. So 4 things which are being connected in order to get the proper understanding of a textbook or for gaining the proper knowledge, that is considered to be Anubandha Chatushtaya. So the 4 factors which is needed or necessary for understanding something or for a proper study, that is considered to be Anubandha chatushtaya. So we can see that tatra anubandho nama adhikari vishaya sambandha prayojanani. So this is from Vedanta Sara Sutra. So as per the darshanas, as per the samhitas, we will be dealing with this Anubandha chatushtaya. So the concept is same, but the terms which are being given or mentioned is different in both the Samhitas as well as the Darshanas. So as per the Vedanta Darshana, the Anubandha Chatushtayas are enumerated as Adhikari, Vishaya, Sambandha and Prayojana. Whereas in Chakrapani commentary of Charaka Samhita, Sutrasthana, first chapter, we will get the references of Anubandha Chatushtaya and the terms mentioned are Abhidhana, Abhidheya, Sambandha and Prayojana. So instead of Adhikari and Vishaya, the terms Abhidhana and Abhideya is being included in the Samhitas. So the concept is same in Vedanta Darshana as well as or other Darshanas and in Charaka Samhita, but the terms are little different. So these are the 4 factors which are responsible for the proper understanding of a textbook or for proper study materials. So we will see individually what are these factors telling about. First is the Adhikari. Adhikari means the qualified student. So Adhikara means it is the capacity to study the subject matter in which respect where there exist doubts. So some doubts will be there. We are studying something to clear that particular doubt. So that capacity to study in order to clear a particular doubt, that is considered to be Adhikara, and a person who possesses that capacity is considered to be Adhikari. So the person who is studying something or a person who is qualified to study something, that person is considered to be Adhikari. So Madhvacharya, who is an author of Vedanta or he is a proponent of Vedanta Darshana, he has told that there are 3 levels of Adhikari. That is based on the intelligence, we can consider 3 levels of Adhikari: Athama, Madhyama and Uttama. That is, Athama means the lower level of intelligence, Madhyama means the medium level of intelligence, and Uttama means higher level of intelligence. The Adhikari, who is considered to be in the Madhyama and Uttama level, they will be composed of Shat Sampat. This Shat Sampat means Shama, Dhamma, Uparata, Titikshu, Samhita or Shraddha and Samadhana. So Shama means a peaceful mind, Dhamma means control over his senses, Uparata means withdrawn from worldly pleasures, that is not going into much of Indriyartha Samyoga or Ati Yoga of the Indriyarthas and Nikarshas. Titikshu means the patient and enduring for the getting some knowledge. Samhita or Shraddha, composed, and Samadhana, the proper concentration of mind will be present. So these are the Shat Sampat a student will be having if he is coming under the Madhyama or Uttama level of intelligence. So these are considered to be the characteristic features of the Adhikari as per Madhvacharya. According to Mimamsa Darshana, Adhikari refers to the level of preparation necessary for making one skill. That is, there are different characteristic features which are required for starting up a study purpose, or which makes a person to study in a better manner, or to makes a person understand something in a better manner. So such levels of preparation what a person takes up is considered to be adhikari. So the student will be getting ekagrata, or he develops the ekagrata, that is the state of determined mind. It will be attained through upasana, that is continuous concentration. If we have to get the ekagrata, that is a concentrated mind has to be brought, then we have to continuously, or we have to repeat something for a multiple times. So such a way the person will be getting the ekagrata, or the concentration will be more, and he will be able to perform better. And also the person will be chitta shuddhi and vikshepa should be there. That is, he should be free from the mental wandering and distractions. That is, nowadays we can say that adiyoka of the like chakshurendriya or shrotrendriya, that is, we will be scrolling on the mobiles or smart tvs and all. So that atiyoga has to be stopped, or even we are not at all reading something, or we are not listening to something, ayoga happens, or mithya yoga should not be there. So such in like atiyoga or ayoga or mithya yoga, such in distractions or such wanderings of the mind should not be present. So that all has to be controlled, and he should be clearly concentrated on the studies what he is going to do. So that particular moment he should be fully concentrated on the study material, not other distractions, so that he will be getting that concentrations by continuous practice. So if a person is having that much capacity, such people are considered to be adhikari as per the Mimamsa Darshana. Now, according to the Vedanta Darshana, Swami Shivananda has explained that the person that is considered to be adhikari, he should be endowed with sadhana chatushtaya. That is, the four factors he should be endowed with. This sadhana chatushtaya is viveka, vairagya, shat sampat, and mumukshitva. So viveka means the discrimination. He should be able to discriminate what is good, what is bad, whether I can do this, if I do this thing, whether it will be good or bad. So such discrimination power should be there. And vairagya, capable of being exercised. If I have planned something, I should be able to execute that, or I should be able to perform something. If I have studied something related to practical aspects, I should be able to perform that. It's not like theory portions only we should be knowledgeable. We should be able to perform something. So the theoretical knowledge should be there. Practically we should be able to execute that, and we should be able to discriminate whether it is good or bad, what decision we have to take. Such powers should be present. And Shad Sambat, as per the previously we have seen, Madhvacharya has told what are the Shat Sambat, that is Shama, Dama, Uparata, Titikshu, Samhita, and Samathana. Then Mumukshutva, that is, the person should be having intense longing towards the knowledge, or he should be thriving for getting the knowledge. So these are the sadhana chatushtaya, that is Viveka, Vairagya, Shat Sambat, and Mumukshutva. If a person is being endowed with this sadhana chatushtaya, such people are considered to be adhikari, that is, he is capable of studying something. Then this types of adhikari should be removed from the manasika mala or manasika doshas by nishkama karma yoga and vikshepa, that is by ekagrata, or by continuously practicing the readings of the textbooks, or continuously practicing the study materials. Such way he should be getting the ekagrata, and he should remove his manasika mala, who has chitta shuddhi and ekagrata by upasana, and he should also be endowed with yukti, samarthya, and buddhi. So such people are considered to be adhikari. Well, coming to the Charaka Samhita's concept, it has been explained in the Chakrapani Tika. Adhikari bodha upayuktam shabda tarka sahida idi adhida vidhehi. So a person who uses his tarka, that to understand the shabdas, that is what is being told in the Aptopadesha, that is considered to be adhikari. The detailed descriptions of adhikari can be seen in different references. Sacha adhyetavyo brahmana rajanya vaishyehi. So in the context of details of Ayurveda, it has been mentioned who has to study this Ayurvedic science and what is the purpose of studying this, or what is the reason for studying each people has been explained in Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana 30th chapter. So they have explained that Brahmana, Raja and Vaishyas has to study Ayurveda, and the details are being explained. Tatra anugrahartham praninam brahmanehi. Brahmana has to study Ayurveda in order to teach everyone, or in order to propagate the science, they have to study Ayurveda. Arakshartham rajanehi. The king has to study this science for the arakshartham, that is, in order to protect his servants, or in order to protect his people, he has to study. Vrityartham vaishyehi. Vaishya has to study this Ayurveda science in order to do for as an occupation. And samanyato va dharma artha kama parigrahartham sarvehi. And in general, every people should get the knowledge of Ayurveda in order to attain the dharma, artha and kama. So for attaining the three vargas, this Ayurveda knowledge has to be attained by all the people. So this is one concept which has been explained in Charaka Samhita, that is who has to get the knowledge of Ayurveda and what is the purpose of getting this knowledge. Another one concept in which we can consider the references for Adhikari is from Vimanasthana, where they are explaining about the details of the Shishya, how a Shishya has to be considered, when we have to start the studies, how to commence the Ayurveda science. Such all points have been explained. So, Prashantam, Arya Prakriti, Akshudra Karmanam, Ariju Chakshur Mukha Nasa Vamsham, Tanurakta Vishada Jihvam, Avikrita Danda Oshta, Aminminam, Dhridimandam, Anahankritam, Medhavinam, Vitarka Smriti Sampannam, Udara Sattum, Tadvidya Kulajam, Athava, Tadvidya Vrittam, Tatva Abhiniveshinam, Avyangam, Avyapanna Indriyam, Nipridam, Anuddhadam, Arthatatva Bhavakam, Akopanam, Avyasaninam, Shira Shaucha Achara, Anuraga, Daksha, Pradakshinya Upapannam, Amadhyanam, Nabhigam, Arthavignane, Karma Darshane, Cha Ananya Karyam, Alubdham, Analasam, Sarva Bhudahideshanam, Acharya, Sarva Anushishta, Pratikaram, Anuraktam Cha, Evam Guna Samuditam, Adhyayam Api Ahu. So such students or such people who are endowed with all these qualities has to be given the knowledge of Ayurveda, has been explained in Vimanasthana. So Prashanda, the person who is very calm in nature. Arya Prakriti, he should be having superior qualities like in the behavior wise or the conduct wise, he should be having the good qualities. Akshudra Karmana, he should not be involved in any mean activities. Riju, Chakshu, Mukha, Nasa Vamsham, he should be having straight eyes, mouth, nasal edge. That means he should not be having any deformities. Tanurakta Vishada, Jihva, that again the physical abnormalities should not be present, has been explained. Avigrida Danda Oshtam and Aminminam, talking should not be like any abnormalities should not be present. Dhridimandam, he should be having forbearance. Then Anahangritam, he should not be having ahankara. Medhavinam, he should be having proper intelligence. Vitarka and Smriti Sampanam, endowed with logical reasoning and proper memory power. Udara Sattvam, broad-minded. Tadvidya Kulajam Athava Tadvidya Vrittam. So born in a family of physicians or those who are following that similar types of occupations, in such families he should be born. Tattva Abhiniveshana, the person who should be desirous of gaining the scientific knowledge or Ayurvedic science. Avyangam, Avyapanna Indriyam. Indriyas should not be having any deformities or such physical deformities or disabilities should not be present. Nipridam, Anuddhadam, Arthatattva, Bhavagam. He should be humble, keeping the knowledge safely and having the capacity to comprehend the essence of ideas. He should be having the proper logical thinking and he should analyze the things what he has studied, and he should be able to detect what has been explained in the Samhitas. Akopanam, Avyasaninam. He should not be too much of having anger, or he should not be too much of having addictions or too sorrow. Such things should not be present. Emotionally, he should be very stable. Shila Shauja Achara Anuraga Daksha Pradakshinya Upapannam. He should be following the Shila Shauja Achara. Such all things has to be properly followed. Adhyayana Abhikama. He should be interested in studies. Artha Vijnane Karma Darshane Cha Ananya Karya. He should be dedicated for the theoretical as well as the practical knowledge what he has gone without any distraction. Alubdham Analasam. He should not have any greed, or he should be not too lazy. He should be very enthusiastic in study matters. Sarvabhuta Hideshinaha. He should be empathetic to all creatures. Acharya Sarva Anushishta Pratikara. He should follow all the instructions what the teacher is being telling. Anurakta, being attached to his teacher. So if a person is having these all qualities, he can be considered as ideal for starting the study of Ayurvedic science. So according to Sushruta Samhita, in Sushruta Samhita Sutrasthana second chapter, again few more description of how to understand or how to identify a student who is capable of studying this Ayurvedic science has been explained. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishyanam, Anyatamam, Anvayavayaha, Shila Shaurya, Shaucha, Achara, Vinaya, Shakti, Bala, Metha, Dhriti, Smriti, Mati, Pratipatti, Yuktam, Tanu Jihva Oshta Danta Agram, Rijuvaktra Akshinasam, Prasanna Chitta Vakcheshtam, Klesha Sahamcha, Bhishak, Shishyam Upanayet, Ado Viparida Gunam Na Upanayet. So Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishyana, Anyatama. So the person who is in the families of Brahmana, Kshatriya or Vaishya, or such other families who considers to be occupation of this science. Anvaya Vayaha, the proper age when a person is able to understand something which is being explained in this Shastra, the logical reasoning will be present, or he has the proper intelligence, memory power. At that particular age, a person has to start studying. Shila, Shaurya, Shaucha, Achara, Vinaya, Shakti, Bala, Metha, Dhriti, Smriti, Mati, Pratipatti, Yuktam. The person who has following proper Shila, Shaurya, Shaucha, Achara, etc. He has proper Shakti, Bala, Metha, etc. Such people has to be considered. Tanu Jihva Oshta Dentagram, Riju Vaktra, Akshi Nasam. That is, there should not be any physical abnormalities in any of the body parts. Prasanna Chitta Vak Cheshtam. The proper pronunciation, proper Vak and Cheshta activities as well as verbal properties should be in the normal manner. Klesha Saham. He is ready to undergo any types of stress, physical as well as the mental stress. Such people has to be given the knowledge of Ayurveda. Such people has to be Shishyam Upanayet. It is told in the Sushruta Samhita that Shishya Upanayana. That is, the Shishyas has to be Upanayana, done the Upanayana into this world of Ayurveda. So such students or such people has to be done Upanayana of the Shastra. Viparita Gunam Cha Na Upanayet. And the person who are not having these qualities should not be considered for the science of Ayurveda, or they should not be given the knowledge. So these are the qualities which have been explained in the Sushruta Samhita related to Adhikari. So we have seen the properties of Adhikari. Adhikari is the person who is capable of studying something or getting the knowledge from the books or other people, gurus, etc. So he should have certain qualities by which he is considered to be capable enough to get that knowledge. So a person who is endowed with these qualities are considered to be Adhikari, and this is the first factor of Anubandha Chatushtaya, that is Adhikari, then Vishaya, Sambandha and Prayojana. So we have covered the topic of Adhikari. Today we started discussing the topic of Anubandha Chatushtaya. Anubandha Chatushtaya refers to 4 factors, that is Adhikari, Vishaya, Sambandha and Prayojana. In this video, we have seen the properties of Adhikari, that is the person who is capable of studying something or studying the Ayurvedic sciences. So in the upcoming videos, we will be dealing with the properties of Vishaya, Sambandha and Prayojana. If you find these videos helpful, please do subscribe our YouTube channel Ayurveda and enable the bell button for continuous updates. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.